Hi guys, today we will be doing the my husband buys my outfit video. So yeah, you will do that. Actually, we finished everything already. We went to the shops, I tried on the clothes, and we're just filming the intro. And yeah, if you guys want to see how he went, then please keep on watching. Yeah.
Alright, let's...
Dito na kami guys sa Kmart. There you go. Are you ready?
Yep.
What are you gonna buy for me?
Clothes.
Clothes?
Yep.
How many outfits?
One.
Babe, no. More than one.
Two.
Three.
Three.
Three outfits. I will go with him because I need to film him because I don't think he will film himself inside. So I will go, but I'm not gonna say anything at all. I will just film him. So he will choose whatever he wants. And why are we at Kmart?
It's close to home.
It's close to home and it's cheap.
It's cheap.
No, it's close to home and we need to watch football, guys. So we have like, what, less than 2 hours to shop? So we should be alright. Are you ready?
Yeah, we'll be done.
You have your money?
We'll be done in 20 minutes, man.
20 minutes?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay.
Easy.
You have your money, babe?
Yeah.
Alright, let's go. We're here. Where are we going first?
Adults.
Adults? I usually shop at kids, but yeah. Ooh, nice.
The clothes are boring.
You need to find 3 outfits that will act that you think I will use, think I will wear.
They're too big for you. Wow. Ooh. Here we go.
Here we go, eh? Sabi niya, here we go. You can't do that.
Done. I like it.
You do? Looks like it will fit you.
Probably will fit me. Kids.
Kids section, guys. Okay.
I actually like that.
And it's really good because it has the like lines that
That looks good.
That?
Yeah.
That.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'll keep on looking, but I like that.
Okay, keep on looking, babe. What do you have with you now? Uh-oh. Dropped it. That.
That one.
Do you know it's winter, babe?
I know. You always buy summer clothes.
What's that smile?
One. Two.
Two, babe, 3 outfits, not just 3 tops. Like
That's
an
all right.
outfit. What do you think will go with? Are you serious?
These go with everything.
Oh my god. Are you serious?
Yeah, I'm serious.
This
Blue.
blue.
They look good. I like that. Oh, and it's only $4. That's size 14. They're all reduced, just that one. Pull that off and put it on here. I don't like it.
Do you?
Yeah, I do. I like it. Good matching. Match. What is it, some shorts or a skirt or something?
Short a skirt?
Shorts
It's
or a
right
skirt.
there.
That's too big. We're going to drop it to an 8.
Why are you picking up summer clothes?
Will that fit you? I'm going to go 9. So. That'll fit you. No.
Do you? Okay.
They look cool. They look cool. How much are they?
Oh my god.
$8. Damn. You like them?
I don't know.
I like them. Thumbs up if you like the clothes so far. Pretty awesome.
Pretty awesome.
Pretty awesome. Oh.
Oh babe, look at my height there. Where's
What's
my
your height?
height? I'm 150.
Yeah, so it should be size 12.
Yeah.
I like this as well.
Do you?
Yeah, so you got skirt, shorts, 3/4. Well, I've only got full length on you.
Okay. So how many tops do you have for me?
We need one more top.
One more top?
One more top.
Are you gonna get me like something that's actually weather appropriate at all?
No.
How can I wear that?
Yeah, well, summer soon.
Summer soon. Oh, when?
A couple months.
Couple months.
No.
No. Do you wanna get me like accessories or shoes?
No.
No?
Nah, it's boring. Ah, it's not even the top.
No.
Nope. I'm going to leave this behind because I reckon this is going to be too big for you.
Okay.
And... this one here. Toots here.
Totes, yeah.
Toots.
You have a theme. What's your theme?
Oh, wanker food.
Are you singing?
Bananas in pajamas. Bananas in pajamas. Alright,
Babe, this looks really good.
chaka.
Are you sure? It's only $5.
Chaka. Yeah, about that. Alright, look at that, see-through as well. Awesome. Size 10. Alright, we've got our outfits. 3 outfits.
Alright. Do you want to check out the accessories? Just check it out.
I'll have a look.
Yeah.
We'll have a look. I am filming.
Alright, we're done. How do you think you went?
Awesome.
Awesome. How many outfits did we get?
3 outfits.
We got 3 outfits, guys. And 1 accessory. That he said will go with everything.
It would actually.
I will be trying it on. Next clip you will see me trying it on. Alright, let's go. Hello, we're here. So these are the stuff that he got for me. He will just basically explain why you got it and then I will try it on. We'll see. Tell me which outfit I should try on first. So that one says totes, yeah. Why did you get that one, babe?
I've got no idea.
What size is that? He got it from kids. Actually, everything here
Size 10.
he got from kids. Yeah, okay.
Alright.
What bottom goes with that one?
Well, can we show them the clothes first?
Yeah, show him the clothes first.
Another one. Pink top.
Neon pink.
Looks awesome. $8. Trendy pants.
Trendy!
Goes with any top. Bluesy in colour, and these stripes will make Razor look taller.
It's not stripes, babe.
Whatever they are. Pink stripes.
How much was that?
That was
You got some bargains, guys.
$4.
From 8, I think?
Yeah, it's not bad. It's for me.
Yeah.
This one's perfect for horseback riding. It's got no sleeves on it, so to look after a horse or anything like that. And again, it's a multifunctional top, perfect for any occasion.
Okay.
This here is a blue skirt.
And I can't really see it. Yeah, blue skirt.
Yeah, just a blue skirt. I like skirts. Razor doesn't wear enough skirts.
It's so cold, babe.
Look at these sexy little things. These are a bit too long, but
Too long.
I'd like them shorter. But we'll give it a go.
Okay.
Yeah. In Australia, a lot of the girls have their butts hanging out. Raz doesn't have a butt to hang out, so there won't be anything.
I don't have enough butt.
That's all. That's the outfit.
That's it?
Yep.
Okay. The hat.
Hat. Fantastic cowboy summer hat.
Should I wear that with every outfit that you got for me today?
No.
Did you show them the
Necklace? Where is the necklace?
You look funny.
You can't go wrong with a black necklace. Again, this will go with many outfits.
It came with a pair of earrings as well.
You could wear it to the shops.
Ooh.
To the shops only. Alright.
Okay, which outfit should I try first? I'm gonna be trying on these outfits.
Alright, let's have a play.
So where am I gonna wear this? Where can you see me wearing these?
Just, you know, you want to go do a bit of exercise?
Exercise?
Yeah.
So like a workout outfit?
Workout outfit, this one. Yeah.
Ooh, it actually fits! Good job!
This is a $16 outfit.
This is the shorts. I like it. Not bad.
Turn around and see your ass. Yeah, looks good.
Okay, I'll try on the top. That's not bad, babe. It actually fits me. What size is
It
this?
does. Fits you. 8.
8. Okay.
Da, 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 da.
I look like a kid.
We'll shop this. This is in the kids section, so you're always going to look like a
I'm
kid.
not gonna wear this color at all. No.
This makes it look lively.
Lively?
Yeah.
Have you seen me wear something like this?
If you go to
though?
a rave concert, this is the outfit for a rave concert.
Have you seen me wear this?
You should though, I like it.
No,
you look
not
good, you
that
look younger.
color. No.
No, it looks good.
It fits me.
Yeah,
but
perfect.
I look like a 10-year-old girl.
You do.
I need like a white t-shirt will go well with this, like a summer outfit, but not this color, babe. Oh, do you want me to wear the necklace with these?
Sure, it goes with everything. And the hat.
Okay.
The hat goes with every outfit.
Ooh, the hat is too big.
Check it
My
out.
head is way too small.
Don't lose a toe. There you go. I like it.
Do you like the hat?
We're on a tight time schedule.
Okay.
I like that.
Which outfit is next?
Which one did I choose? You know what? I'm gonna do this one.
Yeah.
We'll go the skirt and the horse riding top. I like it. This outfit you would wear to, you're gonna Jollibee for the day. And then SM will, it's a great outfit. SM. To go out with your
I like the top.
to go out with your girlfriends, this is the outfit.
The top
It's
fits
casual.
nicely. I like the top.
No, it's too big.
The top?
But yeah, like it was.
No, it's meant to be like that.
Like that.
No, I like it. I actually really like the top. The skirt, I don't know. Do you like the skirt?
Yeah, I love skirts. Skirt's good.
Am I wearing it the wrong way? I think I
No, there's not any one way to wear a
It's
skirt.
fine.
It's a skirt.
Yeah. It's alright.
Let me know which one out of the three is your favourite outfit. I can also do fashion design. I'm a stylist by trade. I studied it for 4 years at university.
Oh yeah, right.
I did.
Someone's lying around here. Okay, last outfit.
Last outfit, we'll go with the Tutti Frutti top. What does it say? Tots?
Totes, yeah.
Tots, yeah.
This is actually not a bad top at all. Like, I thought I'm not gonna like it. He picked it up and I was like, no, but it's actually not bad.
It's a great top.
Like a very casual top. And it actually goes fine with a skirt. Like, not bad.
If you're jumping on a jeepney, this is the top.
If you're what?
Jumping on a jeepney.
Jumping on a jeepney?
Yeah, that's the outfit.
Yeah, not bad. I'll wear it.
And the golf
Blue
pants.
and blue? Okay, I'm gonna wear that. It's not pants, it's leggings.
Same, still a pant.
No.
Wow. Wow.
No way, I look like a little kid. No.
I like it.
Do you seriously?
I love this outfit. These pants. Turn around, let's see it all. Fantastic. See? Fits perfectly.
It does. What size is this?
I got no idea.
I think you got 8, I think? 9.
No.
Yeah.
What's your favourite outfit? All of them.
No. I actually like this top. I don't have like a favorite outfit that you picked. I can...
See? Goes everything in that hat. That's a really good hat. I like it.
The hat is too big.
No, it's not. Your head's too small. The hat's perfect.
My head is too small. I don't like the leggings at all. The top is fine. How much is this? Depends upon the price. $6?
$6.
Not bad. Yeah, and then this one I like actually. $12. This one. I like it. The skirt, it's actually not bad. Paired with this top, very like, you know, casual day. I don't mind it. Or maybe this goes well with this as well.
Goes with everything, babe.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This, no. I don't like this at all. No. I can't wear that bright of a color. This one is fine.
I like those.
Yeah, I like these
I
as
like
well.
those,
Like
yeah.
going to the beach, you know.
Yeah, cleaning the house.
Cleaning
Perfect.
up.
Yeah.
I like this one. Good job on this one,
Thank
babe. The hat, I don't think I will keep the hat. It's just too big for me. I don't think I will ever find a hat like this that actually fits me because my head is way too small. And I don't like this. I just don't. I don't wear something like this. The earrings, I didn't
Raz
even
doesn't
try.
like trendy modern stuff. I'm more of a trendy modern person. She's like...
This is not trendy. You think this is trendy?
That's trendy. All the girls are wearing that at the moment. Yeah.
I don't like it. I don't like this. I don't like the earrings. I just no. So I don't like those. I don't like the leggings. This top is not bad. You
No.
did a good job. Overall, I think you did a good job. I thought at first he was picking all these and I was like, no way. So good job, babe. Oh, I have an idea. If you guys want to see me picking clothes for him, then please like this video. Yes. He hates it when we shop for him. I think this is gonna be great.
Alright.
I can't wait to do it. Please like this video if you want to see us do it, like me shop for him. Because I saw some good stuff at Kmart and I was like, no, I don't need it. I don't need it. I got heaps of clothes. And
I got heaps of clothes.
No. Alright, that's it for this video. Thank you so much guys for watching. Please like, please subscribe. I hope to see you in my next one. Do not forget.
Bye.
Be good. Be good. Thank you.